Construct your optimized infrastructure from high-performance building block systems designed for technical computing, powered by 3rd Gen AMD EPYC processors with AMD 3D V-Cache technology. When equipped with AMD EPYC 7003 series processors with AMD 3D V-Cache technology, Supermicro's wide range of highly configurable systems are built to achieve the highest performance for compute and memory-intensive workloads such as electronic design automation, computational fluid dynamics simulation, and finite element analysis, while helping lower TCO through our resource-saving architecture. By integrating this breakthrough performance per core into Supermicro's hyperdense designs at both the system and rack level, customers benefit with much faster time to results, especially for intensive technical compute workloads, taking advantage of large and fast 768 MB L3 CPU cache continuously feeding each core while minimizing access to main system memory for superior application speed. Supermicro server building blocks feature resource-saving architectures that are designed to optimize power usage and cooling through shared resources at the data center level to deliver lower TCO. With AMD EPYC processors' exceptional performance per core, these systems optimize energy consumption while boosting compute performance with low latency and high bandwidth. Leverage Supermicro's broad portfolio of truly optimized server building block solutions to take full advantage of the breakthrough technical computing performance of the new 3rd Gen AMD EPYC processors with AMD 3D V-Cache technology.